scoop from friends from Ella. So let's one scoop. There you go. Okay, this is one scoop.
Okay,
Okay. This is a pink, yellow. This is a color pastel.
Okay. This is a color pastel.
So, dito muna yan. Then,
So, me turn.
okay, me turn.
Kaya sa... This is a color black.
Okay, this is a black. This is a ruler.
Ruler.
Okay, this is a ruler.
Okay. You turn.
Me turn. This is a pink. This is a 1/2 crosswise.
Okay.
Okay, this is a 1/2 crosswise. Then, you return
This. Okay, what is this? This is a brown.
This is a paper. Sa Tagalog ay papel. Okay, she's grade 4.
Yes.
Sa Ella. Grade 4 siya.
Yeah. 4 paper. 4 pad paper.
So, return me.
You turn.
This is a pink, orange, red, green. This is a wallet.
Wallet.
Okay, this is a wallet. Okay, return me.
You turn.
This is orange. This is a Oslo paper. Okay, this is a Oslo paper.
Only one.
Okay, return you.
This. This is a color red.
Red.
Yes.
Red is bond paper. Okay, this is a bond paper.
Okay.
Dapat maayos siya. Then return me.
Turn.
This is a Oslo paper. One more.
Again.
Again, Oslo paper. Okay, this is Oslo paper
And
again. And baka sabihin nyo ay inulit-ulit namin, ay ito po talaga yung Oslo. Then, ito yung band paper.
So, ayusin lang natin.
Ayusin lang at sobrang kalat. Okay,
So,
sinusunod.
ako naman.
Okay, ikaw.
And
Madami
what
pa siya, guys.
is
Madami.
a purple.
Purple, this is a daily spell.
They spell siya, guys.
Okay, this is a daily spell.
So, ayun nga pala, pabango nga pala to, guys.
Oo, mabango to, guys. Ah? Kahit isang patak mo lang yan, guys. Bango yan, guys.
Yes.
Bango
And then,
yan.
matagal siya mawawala yung amoy, guys.
Guys. So, babango siya. Sorry, Ella, dahil nabawasan namin yung pabango mo, pero isang pitik lang naman. Okay na yun sa'yo din.
Kaya, puno naman din yan.
Okay, so return me. This is cool. This is a pink
Color
ay hindi. This is a pink and purple. This is a 1/2 lengthwise. This is a 1/2 lengthwise. Kanina 1/2 crosswise, ngayon 1/2 lengthwise. Sorry guys, namali po pala kami. So, sorry, wait lang. Ito po pala, and this is a pink, this is a 1/2 crosswise. So, ano po yun guys? Pink po yun, umulit po yung pink. So, ngayon, purple tsaka white yun. So, ang nakalagay ay ball pen. Yun na, ball pen. Okay, so kuha natin na ball pen.
Mali po pala kami, guys. Sorry.
Oo guys, sorry.
Sorry.
Okay, this is a ball pen.
So, ako naman bubunot. So, this. This is a color blue, guys.
Blue, this is glue.
So,
Okay, this is a glue.
okay, ayun na, guys.
Ang dami kay Ella.
Yes.
Ang dami siyang school surprise
May
talaga.
freebies pa siya mamaya, guys.
Madami kasi, So, return me. This is a yellow, so this is a mini marker. Mini marker. Okay, this is a mini marker.
Ayan, guys.
Isa lang talaga siya, guys, kasi nag-chat kami sa kanya kung anong kulay gusto niya. So, sabi niya purple. So, mahal, ay ano po kasi to, guys, original.
Yes. So, ako naman.
Ako naman, ikaw yun eh.
Sorry.
This is sky, blue na naman, guys.
So, glue. So,
Glue. She's a glue.
ayan.
And
So,
this is glue.
So, ayun, guys. Ito yung glue. Para maiba naman, stick glue naman.
Dalawa na.
So, ako
Ayun.
naman, guys. So,
This,
itong kulay ito. This is red and purple.
red and purple. This is a notebook.
Sugar.
So, this is a notebook.
Ayan.
Paborito niya to kasi. Ito.
Tignan
Ibibigay
niyo,
niya doon sa
guys.
kapatid niya.
So, ayan.
Hindi pa yan nasusulatan, guys.
Yes, wala pa siyang sulat.
Just sa bago-bago. Baka kala niyo sinulatan
Sobrang
niya.
bago pa yan. Wala
Oh,
yung
tapos,
sulat ni isa.
kahit isa walang pangalan. So,
At
bago
tignan
yan,
niyo
guys.
dito, guys. Ayan, wala. And
Wala
then,
na
ito,
talaga yan,
wala.
guys. Kahit ganun pa natin yan, guys.
Yes, wala talaga siya. Wala siyang sulat ni isa.
So,
go.
return me. Tagal. Joke na. So, this is orange and brown.
Okay.
So, this is a ball pen na naman. So, this
So,
is a
ayun,
ball pen.
guys. Ang ball pen.
So, dalawa na ball pen niya.
Yes. Sobrang dami ng ball pen niya and glue. Dalawa na.
So, return you.
Okay, last
Last.
naman na din to. Okay, this is
What's patingin? This is pink. This is sorry guys, naulit na naman yung pink. So, bubunot tayo ulit ng isa.
yes.
Naulit yung pink.
Oh, ako naman yung bubunot. Bigat ako. Anong kulay nito? This is color blue lang. Blue, ito.
This is 1/4.
1/4 siya, guys.
Okay, this is 1/4. And this is from gifts from Ella. So, ito po pala lahat ibibigay namin,
So,
guys.
ayan. Ito na yung previous na nakita ko, guys.
Okay, so, comment na kayo kung ilang swap gusto nyo at aming gagawin. So,
ayun
thank you for watching.
Bye!